Did you know that 81% of Americans want to write a book, but only 0.6% of those Americans go on to have their books published? That's crazy. Biz Trap Family, what's the deal? It's your favorite coach Benji, and today I'm going to be breaking down for you in 11 manageable steps how you can go from a blank page to a published ebook. Yeah, today, right now, in a couple of minutes. I'm not playing. Let's get right into it so we can make this happen. So the first thing you want to do is you want to develop your idea. Consider something that you're passionate about or what readers are seeking. Step 2, create an outline. You want to organize your thoughts by creating a structured outline. An outline, just like in middle school, an outline helps the story flows. You don't want to be all over the place. No, we're not doing that. You want your story to flow. So create an outline. In this way, this will serve as a roadmap for your journey while you're writing. Step 3, you want to write your manuscript. Unless you're using ChatGPT, you want to make sure you dedicate time to writing your ebook, focusing on clarity and engagement. Remember, the first draft doesn't have to be perfect. Let's not focus on perfection. Let's focus more on progress, respectfully. You always have time to make changes, updates, all that good stuff. But right now, let's actually focus on getting the book done. Step 4, you want to make sure you edit and proofread your ebook. So you want to review your book for any grammar errors, and you also want to make sure that your book is flowing, respectfully. Consider seeking feedback from beta readers. You can even seek help from ChatGPT, DeepSeek, I think is what it's called. All those different tools. There's so many different tools that you can use to edit and proofread your ebook for you if you don't have any, anyone that you can give it to. All right. Step 5, you want to make sure you have a captivating cover. The cover is what's going to grab the people. You feel me? That's what's going to get them to be like, oh, I like that. That's cute. I would have did something like, or whatever they may be thinking at that time. But you want to make sure that the cover does what the cover needs to do. Okay? That's what you need to do. So make sure you create an eye-catching cover that reflects your ebook's theme. Remember, people do judge a book by its cover. We know all our life they said don't judge a book by its cover, but all our lives we've been judged by the cover, right? So in this case, you will be judged by the book cover. So make sure you give it all you got. And if you're not able to create the book cover on your own, then you can hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork. And I remember paying for my book cover, and I think I only paid like $10 to $15, but it wasn't that much, but it was well worth it. And then most times you get not most times, all of the time you'll get the money back that you spent. That's why you have to invest in yourself. You have to be willing to invest in yourself to make your dreams a reality. Because if you can't do the design cover yourself, you don't want to spend, months or even years trying to figure out how to do it when you can just have someone else do it for you, and then on the back end be learning so that for your next book you can do it. All right, but right now we want to get this ebook published literally in minutes, respectfully. Step 6, you want to format your ebook. There's so many different ways that you can format your ebook. There's so many different tools and companies out here that have templates available for you to format your ebook. You want to ensure that your ebook is properly formatted for various devices and platforms. So when you're creating your ebook, you want to make sure that it can be read on a desktop and mobile view. You want to make sure that it looks nice, presentable in each of those formats. Because I remember when I was creating my ebook, I didn't know anything about this view and desktop view and mobile view. I didn't know anything about the differences. I just thought once I created it, then that was it, right? No. Child, I created it on a desktop, and so on a desktop they looked beautiful. It was presentable, nice. Child, you went to go look at it on a mobile device, it looked at a mess. It looked like a bunch of words just literally thrown on the phone, literally just it was a mess. It was all over the place. I hated it. And so from experience, you want to make sure you take a look at your product, your ebook, in both formats. All right. Tools like Scrivener and Vellum can assist you with this. Step 7. You want to write a persuasive description. Obviously, people won't read the book, right? But they'll have the opportunity to read the description first, right? So you want to make sure your description is juicy. You want to craft a compelling description to entice the potential readers. You want to grab them and you want to have them like, oh, I gotta read this. I gotta read this. Highlight the value and the unique aspects of your ebook. Let them know, like, look, this, you're not gonna get this nowhere else. I'm telling you, respectfully. Step 8. Here's the fun part. Now it's time for you to start choosing your publishing platforms. There's so many different publishing platforms available, but the most popular platform is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or Amazon KDP, which most people are familiar with. And Amazon KDP basically distributes your book for you. But there's other options out there, and it's up for you to choose the platform that best suits your needs as an author now, respectfully, right? So you want to make sure you're conducting your research and you're seeing what company works best for you. All right. Now let's get into step 9. Step 9 is time to get into the pricing. It's time to get into the money, honey. It's time for you to determine a price point for your book, right? You want to make sure that price point reflects your ebook's value and it appeals to your audience. Don't make it too crazy expensive where it's like people don't have to think twice about not buying it, right? You want people to not think twice about buying it, respectfully. So make sure you're doing your market research to guide your decision. See what your competitors are prices are. See how much they're charging for their ebooks. See what the average price in your industry for that type of ebook will cost. That's how you conduct your market research when it comes to setting your price point. Step 10. We almost did step 10. You want to upload and publish. Yeah, you want to upload and publish. Submit your formatted ebook and cover to your choosing platform and publish it. It's simple. So if you're going to be publishing at Amazon KDP, it's time to upload that book to Amazon KDP and press that publish button. Yeah, that's what it's time to do. And congratulations, you would now be considered a published author at that point. Yeah. Step 11 would be to market your book. Right? Now that you have your ebook completed, now it's time for you to market your ebook. It's time for you to let people know, like, listen, Linda, my ebook is out there. You need this ebook. Like, you don't want to just tell people they want, like, you know, you need people to feel like they need this book. Like, without this book, your life might not be right. That's how you need to make people feel. Like, without this ebook, you're going to be missing out on a lot. And make them feel like that, and I promise you, you won't go wrong. Right? So by following these steps, you can efficiently transform your idea into a published ebook. Remember, though, persistence is key, and do not get stuck in that whole perfectionism trap. I'm telling you, it's exactly that, a trap. I've been there, way uncomfortable. I'm telling you, it's way, you spend so much time trying to make it perfect. Nothing's perfect. That's why it's not going to be perfect, because nothing's perfect. You get what I'm saying? God didn't make anything perfect. So you spend so much time basically chasing nothing because nothing's perfect, right? So we're not doing that, right? What we're going to do instead is get it out there, right? So progress over perfection. Make sure y'all put that in the chat. Progress over perfection. And let me know what's going on with your books, because I'm interested. I'm interested in seeing all the great work that's out there, all the great work that you guys have done. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, what we waiting for, cousin? What we waiting for? Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and cut your notifications on so that you know next time I drop a video. And so we can be active. We out here getting this money, honey. In 2025, we not playing. We can't play, respectfully. So I'll see y'all next time. Until the biz meet the trap, we out.